That was good. What's good, guys? Good to see all of you back in here. Happy Tuesday to all of you. How's everybody feeling today? How is everybody feeling? Let me get all sorted on my side over here. Let's go. Yes, sir. Good to see all of you guys back in here for a wonderful Tuesday. How was everybody's weekend? It's good to see all of you guys back in here. A lot of familiar faces. Appreciate all of you guys for hanging with me. What's up? Dynamite, Coffee, Jan, Max, Vicky, Shaw. What's good, guys? Amin, thanks for hanging again. How was everybody's weekend? Good morning, good morning. Yes, sir. Hope you're feeling better. I actually am feeling better, chat. So, as you guys know, last week was a rough week for me. I felt like ass all week. So, obviously, it's allergy season out here in Canada. So, my allergies have been very, very rough, as you guys know. And then all of a sudden last week I got hit with a head cold. So then I was sick last week as well. So I had allergies, I had my head cold. It was just a rough time. It was a rough period last week. So take a trade and quit yapping. Mr. Tyler is in the building, bro. Listen, you relax and wait for your Asia session tonight. I don't even know what assets move in Asia session. It's like a tongue twister. I can't even say it. Close your eyes in long gold. Okay, we're gonna cover everything. You know what? Let's hop right into the charts because we got some stuff to talk about, stuff to go over. We got some big news, big news for ChartFanatics today. And you know what? We'll start. We can start the stream off and talk about it right away. 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is in an hour and 55 minutes from now. Okay, in an hour and 55 minutes at 11 a.m. the official, all right, listen up, the official ChartFanatics Discord, free Discord, goes live in less than 2 hours. Okay, there's gonna be giveaways, there's gonna be general chats, a lot of different areas to talk to other traders, trading rooms, all this jazz, a lot of good stuff. Myself, Tyler, Riz, we're all gonna be in there, along with a lot of other people. So 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Check your emails if you guys are already signed up to the ChartFanatics email, and yeah, get in that free Discord. All right, lots of stuff coming out. So that's the big news of the day. We'll talk about it more going forward throughout the stream. Without further ado, of course, our wonderful sponsors. As you can see, TradeZella on the sweater, TradeZella on the screen. Wait, right there. Boom. Of course, you guys already know my favorite platform. Use them for everything. Backtesting, journaling, gathering all the data that I need to remain consistent and profitable over a long period of time. All right, and of course, guys, you already know, if you guys are in the Forex game, you got Mr. Funded Next. Definitely recommend recommend code CF for your best discounts. And of course, Apex Funded Trader for all your futures needs, for all you futures guys out there. Discord ChartFanatics, yes sir. This is only the beginning, guys. We got a lot of stuff coming. Toss a like on the stream. Like, comment, share. Let's go crazy today. All right, we have lots of giveaways to be doing later on as well, so stay tuned. I'm not telling you guys when, okay, but we have, one second, let me double check what the boss told me. We have 3 Apex accounts, 3 Funded Next accounts, and a TradeZella subscription, all happening today. Okay, so I got like seven different things to give away today to you guys in chat. So stay tuned. I'm not telling you guys when, but we're gonna be giving away 7 accounts throughout the course of the stream. All right, lots of stuff, lots of stuff coming. And of course, free Discord launch today. Come on, big W's. All right, let's hop into some charts. First things first, it's a sad day. It's not a sad day. It's been a sad week or two in the futures space. Okay, going over quickly, we'll talk about futures. Look where we are, guys. You guys know me by now. I don't trade all-time highs, and that's exactly where we are, at all-time highs. Okay, so no trading for me right now in the future space. Unfortunately, it is what it is. So I'm going to be looking at Forex pairs, talking to you guys about trades I took last week, trades I'm in right now. And yeah, unfortunately, NQ, here's gold in the future space at all-time highs. Literally another 4-hour candle in London to all-time highs. Nothing to do, unfortunately. And YM, all-time highs. Literally everything. I just don't trade all-time highs. My confidence is lower. I feel like there's a lot more of scenarios that could be that could occur. So for that reason, guys, I stay away. I steer clear. Yes, sir, guys. We have the free Discords being launched today. All right, so keep an eye out. I believe it's going to be sent out in emails. It'll be on the on socials and stuff like that. You guys will find it. But be sure to join the Discord. I promise you, you do not want to be in there. All right. Now going through some pairs of mine that I'm looking at right now. So I believe we spoke about this pair last week on stream, and I told you guys I wanted to see German 40 longs and took it yesterday down here. So I'm currently in German 40 longs. Targets remain the same. Nothing changes. I haven't taken a single partial. I'm still in full volume from the lows. Highs up here and then highs up here. I'm looking at both. So that, and also let's see how this is looking, because I just entered this actually. EU shorts I'm currently in right now, and this is exactly what it looks like. It's already live. Well, there you go. Join if you haven't already. Let's go. What a day. What a day for a day. Wait, let me check on my end, because I'm already in there. So let me see what we looking like in the Discord. 1 second. Let's go. Everybody's joining. W's. Look, I'm going to type in chat. There you go, guys. Get in this Discord. I'm going to be posting a lot of stuff in there too. Okay, I'm going to be posting charts, forecasts. I'm going to be talking with you guys. If you guys have questions, I'm going to try and answer as many questions as possible. I'll be as active as possible in there. All right, so if you haven't joined the Discord yet, be sure to join up. There's going to be a lot of giveaways. I know Riz told me we're going to do lots of giveaways in the Discord as well. So Euro, this is what I'm looking at. Euro, this is intraday trade. Intraday, but could be intra-week, because there's also possible downside down here. So I'll put this line down here as well. I'm looking at PDL and these lows from the left hand side possibly. So this is the actual higher time frame target, like this, but we'll scale out accordingly. Okay, so we have multiple targets on the way down. All these blue lines could be targets, and I'll mark it on like this, just like this. EU check. That's what we're on right now. You're going to trade NASDAQ today, guys. Unfortunately, I haven't traded futures at all recently. Okay, and for obvious reasons, we're at all-time highs. And for the people that are not new in here, you guys know me by now. Do I trade all-time highs? Hell no, I don't. I don't trade all-time highs. Listen, Digital Hard Deep, I am definitely not going to be giving you an account if you talk to me like that. What the hell, man? Give me a funded account? That's not polite. That's not being polite. Can you zoom in for the EU trade? You can't see anything. Hey, man, come on, dude. Guys, I was showing you guys my targets. Give me some time here. We're in the Discord. Let's go. W's. This is what EU's looking like. We'll stick on it for now. If you look on the right hand side of my watch list, the blue flagged assets are the ones I'm in trades in. So again, German 40 longs, Euro shorts. That's what we're looking at for today. Hyenas incoming. That's a classic one. That's a classic one. That's a classic one, Tendra. I know, and I think we talked about this last week. GJ had a pretty nice entry in London session. GJ's been looking a little bit ugly lately, but I'm not even watching it right now. I have my eyes on Aussie and UJ as well, but not entries, nothing entries wise. I just feel like there's some possibility on the higher time frame. I got scaled on Jared 30 buys closed early. German 30. I'm assuming, does it move the same? Because listen, this is actually my very first trade on German 40, believe it or not. I've never traded it before. So this is my very first trade. I don't even know the difference between German 30 and 40. Is it just another indice? Hello, Marco. How are you? I'm great, Jazz Tails. How are you? How's life treating you? Can we get the why behind the EU entry? Sure, we could talk about that. No worries. We'll stay here on this time frame. So price has been moving to the downside. Okay, then look at this price action we had here on Euro. Look at this. Okay, choppy, 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 build, build, build. And then we go long. Okay, where did we go long to and where did we go long off of? We went long off of all this liquidity, inducing buyers. As soon as we take this high out, I now understand that buyers have been induced in the market. Okay, they want to be going long. So any sort of reactions at these areas are going to be traps. Okay, even if we go long off this area, it'll be a trap and should be a continuation to the downside. So with that understanding, same thing occurs in the lower time frame here. Look, build, 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 trap, entry. You see? Hope you guys are starting to see a common pattern of how I enter trades. It's literally the same shit over and over and over. Man, I banked $6,700 with your strategy. Ginseng, if you really bank $6,700, that's a W. Congratulations. That's awesome news. Joining the Discord LFG. Let's go, Justin. Everybody needs to be in the Discord today. It's launch day. Get hyped. I'm in chat. Look, I don't know if you guys can see. No, you can't see on my cam right now. But I'm in chat right now. I have the general chat open. I'm going to be posting lots of charts, lots of good stuff in there. So be sure to join if you haven't joined already. Mods will be spamming the Discord links in chat all day. So we good. Okay, so again, this is what Euro looks like. And then this is what my German 40 position looks like as well. I'm not going to touch this until we hit some kind of target. We hit a possible higher time frame partial point up here. The only problem is if you guys look at the bottom of my screen, what time did we hit it at? 4:45 a.m. Okay, and I'm not David Goggins. I'm not up at 4:45 a.m. So I did not partial. I couldn't have partialed. I was sleeping. All right, you're already in. W. Let's go, Niels. We in this thing. Let's go. I'm pumped, man. Lots of cool stuff coming with ChartFanatics, guys. Lots of cool stuff coming. Yeah, let's see what we get today. Do we got news today, guys? Oh my god, you know what? That's very unprofessional of me. I didn't even check. I believe we had, yeah, we have news at 9:45, but it's not a crazy one in my opinion. Nonetheless, you still want to be aware of it. So that's in a half an hour's time. All right, so we have 30 minutes. Marco, I'm planning to go short on EU. I wish you the best of luck. We'll see what happens. Nothing's 100%. This is my analysis. If it plays out, awesome. If not, oh well. I had a wonderful, actually my first, guys, take this in. My first week back on Forex last week, my first week back, I made 10%, which is mental, okay? Obviously, that's not gonna happen every single week, so we'll take it from when we get it, but yeah, we did 10% last week. I posted it all over my socials. If you guys are not following me on Twitter or on Instagram or even on YouTube, you need to be doing that. All my links are in the description below. Especially Twitter. If you guys don't follow me on Twitter, definitely go follow me on Twitter because I post a lot of charts, a lot of breakdowns, a lot of forecasts, what I want to see going forward. Powell speaks. Yes, sir. Powell does speak later as well. That is at what time? That's about 12, so just after noon. So 12:35-ish it says that Powell is going to be speaking. We had a lot of pound and euro news overnight as well. Euro news came in at 3:30 and then pound news came in at 4:30 overnight. So Lots of fundamentals today, which is no worries at all. There's also a future for euro. It's called 6E. Yes sir, Max. There is. The euro contract is called, it's right here. For anybody trading futures that wants to trade euro, this is it here, 6E1. Gurpreet says, Powell speaking at 12:35. Just be careful. Every time he says something, the market moves. Yes, sir. Thanks for the heads up. What about USD JPY? Yeah, I'm not... I had that beautiful short last week on it, which we love to see. This short that we took last week. I mean, it's crazy to look at. And listen, this wasn't just a 1 to 14. I had partials on the way. Okay, so I ended up banking like... What did I risk here? I risked like 600 bucks and I ended up profiting like 4,500. So I don't remember them. I don't know the math on that. 6, 12, 18. 6, 12, 18. So it's about, I think about 7 or 8 R on this trade. So this is not a 15 R trade. Just I want to clarify this. I never really hold, I don't want to say never, but I rarely hold full volume. Okay, I had partial points at this low. Here, I'll put my blue lines just to show you guys. Partial points at this low. Partial points at this low. And then the last partial point was down here. And that was tagged in FOMC. That was full target. But that was a gorgeous trade. That was one of 2 crazy trades I took. And then end of the week was probably my favorite trade in a while. Was this trade I took in on gold in Asia session like this. Just like that. And again, if you guys aren't following me on Twitter, you got to follow me because I posted this beforehand. Okay, when I was in the entry, everything, and I said I wanted price back to the 3670s up at these highs, and everything worked out perfectly. 7R is still nuts. I 100% agree. I'm more than happy even if I bank 3R. Okay, 7R, yeah, that's definitely, those trades don't come all the time. Okay, those trades, honestly, they make your month sometimes. If I bank like a 7R trade, that'll set me up for a beautiful month. Not even a week, a beautiful month. Okay, so again, you want to be happy with those trades when they come around. I can't figure out how to take partials with TradeEvade or TradingView. My best advice for you, Nicole, is go on YouTube and learn and watch people do it and then apply to your own chart. Marco, don't you think the correct entry at EU? I think the correct entry has been tagged already. That's just my opinion. I could be wrong, guys. Like we always talk about, I'm not a fortune teller, right? I'm just a trader and I apply my strategy every single day. Some trades will work, some trades won't. The most important part to my plan, and the most important part should be on all of your plans, is making sure that your losses are smaller than your winners. All right. What's my Twitter handle, guys? In the description below of this live stream, all of my socials are there. All right. It's Marco Trades with 2 S's though. But again, if you just want to check in the links in the description below, then then you can find all my socials there. What's up, Shireg? Good to see you, bro. Thanks for hopping in. How was everybody's weekend though? How was everybody's weekend? Did you guys have a good weekend? How yesterday? Did you guys trade yesterday? I am in German 30 longs too. W, bro. Let's go. This is what's looking like right now. Nothing too pretty currently. Now that we've taken out these highs, I kind of anticipated that we were going to have a bearish move. This happened overnight, but this typically happens. Once we take out these internal points, we'll get that pullback. So now that we've taken out this low, price could definitely induce lower once more, meaning it could come probably even for this. So don't rule that out. But listen, my entry's down here. I actually even rolled, my stop loss is rolled on this entry now, guys. So it's down below this low now. So I have next to, if you look at it, I have basically a quarter of my risk is cut off now. So worst case scenario, guys, I lose a quarter of what I was initially risking, and that is a massive W in my books already. If it plays out, wonderful. but the market's already allowed me to cover my risk. All right, and you got to take that when you get it. Euro back at entry point ish, give or take. This is what we're looking at like right now. We'll just stay on the 15-minute. Good trade on gold. Thank you, Hassan, bro. Yeah, gold was a banger to end the week last week. That was like a 5% trade. Yeah, I had a 2R on gold. Let's go, Suburban. W, bro. Gurpreet says, you had a great day yesterday. Wow, I'm impressed. Yesterday was nothing tradable for me, at least. No trades yesterday. Yeah, I don't blame you, Max. I entered my German 40 position yesterday, but as you guys can tell, it was very slow, right? Price action down here, and then throughout PM session, just very dead, which I kind of expected. It could be worth mentioning that there is a... What's the gold chart saying, guys? Your guess is as good as mine. All right, look, this is all we're gonna look at on gold right now. You tell me what you guys want to happen, because I have no idea what can occur. We are at all-time highs, and I have no idea what's gonna happen. When we're at all-time highs, it's a guessing game for myself. I like to see more PA develop. So, like, for example, FOMC was at all-time highs last week, right? But then look, we developed more price action. So then I was able to take an entry down here. And I need the same thing to occur here now. I just need more PA. I just need more data in front of my face, all right? Marco, there was a Trump speech just after the news. Is there a Trump speech? I see on my side that there is... Powell is speaking at 12:35. I don't see anything about Trump. Oh, no, I do see something about Trump, but that's tonight at 7:20 p.m. So that's in like 12 hours time. That's an Asia session. Marco, how to improve trade execution? How to improve trade execution? I mean, you want to have a repeatable way of entering the market. So whether that's like a candle closure, or you wait for a specific time, or you wait for some sort of high or low to get taken out, you want to make it repeatable, right? You don't want to enter the market a different way every single time. You want to make it as systematic as possible. The more systematic it is, the less emotion is going to be involved, right? So that's my best tips when it comes to taking entries. Keep it repeatable. Will we sweep the highs or lows? That's not, let's think about, I'm not too sure what you mean, Miroslav. Are you, which asset are you talking about? Max says, which CFD prop allows you to hold overnight? You know what? I'm not too sure. I'm not entirely sure. That's a good question. Yes, Trump also speaking in 25 minutes. I don't see that on my end. And listen, I just use Forex Factory. I've been using Forex Factory for years. I'm just going to stick to that. Yes, trading for keeps. Guys, please, if you have not done it already, please do me a favor and leave a like on the stream. We have 220 people in here right now, and we got 77 likes. I am going to be running seven. Wait, 3, yeah, 7, 6, 7. There we go. I can't count. 7 giveaways today. 7 different giveaways today in chat. So if you guys are new here, stick around. I'm going to be doing multiple giveaways throughout the stream. I'm not telling you guys when. It'll be throughout the stream. Also, please leave a like, comment, and share the stream with your fellow family members. All right, maybe even your dog or cat. Maybe they can watch. Quick maths, and look at that. Would you see wife is back in here supporting the stream? The wife's always in here. That means you guys always have to be in here. The question is, did the wife like the stream? Should we ask her? How you see NOS today, Marco? Seth low. I have no idea what indices are going to be doing. And the wife says duh. All right, so there you go. If the wife liked the stream, you guys have to like the stream. It's just a rule. It's one of the most important rules. Like I said, Seth, I have no idea though, bro. Indices are all-time highs. And this is just, we all trade differently at the end of the day. So you guys figure what works for you. I know what works for me, and I just don't trade any sort of pair asset at all-time highs. I sound like a broken record, and I'll continue to say it. It's fine. But yeah, I don't trade all-time highs. Wife? Yes, sir. Wifey's in here. W Hannah. W Hannah in chat. She's always in here supporting, hanging out with us, shooting the shit. Is she trading? Maybe she's trading. We don't even know. Maybe she's got some trading accounts on the side. Marco, new video coming? Yes, sir. Tomorrow. Wait, no. Tuesday. We have a new video. I have a new YouTube video today coming out at 12 p.m. 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. GBP JPY. We can go take a look at GBP JPY. I don't really know what it's going to do right now, but hey, maybe you guys see something I don't. So we took the highs and we've gone bearish. Traded below some lows over here. Yeah, it's hard to say. Look, we've taken out daily lows and weekly lows. It could run bullish for a bit, but I just don't see nothing right now. Neil says, I've never traded Forex, but looking into FX on futures, what do I need to think about different from the indices? They move at all times of the day, right? They move in London, they move in Asia. I know the indices like NQ and YM will as well, but for the most part, they're dead, right? In Asia and in London. For the most part, not all the time, but for the most part. So my best thing is for FX, they move actively throughout the day. Okay, and not too specific to New York only. Marco, what would you say is the number one reason for losing the liquidity strategy and what we should look out for? I'm in just like any other strategy. No strategy is 100%. Just like anything, right? Sometimes you don't analyze the chart correctly and you make a mistake. Okay, Ziggo. You know what we're gonna do? We don't do this. All right, if you guys want to spam the chat, by all means spam the chat, and then you're gonna get timed out. So now everybody look at Zigo in chat. Zigo is on the bench. He's in timeout. Okay, Zigo, you're more than welcome to come hang out with us again. All right, but look at me. Stop being a bad boy and spamming the chat. When you spam the chat, you get timed out. All right, look, I'm gonna give you that little hat nod. All right, no spamming the chat. That's boring. That is boring. We don't do that. Bro, your YouTube videos are mad beneficial. Keep making them sweet AF. Much love, bro. Yeah, we have a lot of videos coming out. We have a lot. I recorded another 2 on the weekend. And one of the videos I recorded on the weekend, oh man. Just wait till that one gets dropped. Okay, a shit ton of value in that one. I'm not going to say when. Maybe next week. Maybe the following week. But I recorded one specific video on the weekend. Fire. Absolute fire. So stay tuned for that one. What's Euro doing? Are we in? Okay, we're in profit. It's moving. It's moving with us. It's moving with us. Let's go. Well, how many pips are we in profit? I almost said ticks, but I gotta get used to Forex again. 8 pips in profit right now. Marco, how do you enter a trade in higher time frame POY? The wonderful thing about my strategy, and the reason why I love my system so much, is the exact same way I'll enter the trades on the lower time frames, I'll be entering trades on the higher time frames. In my opinion, the market is completely fractal from the 1 minute all the way up to the friggin' monthly chart. Okay, obviously the higher the time frame is, the longer it's gonna take to play out. All right, but the reason why, again, I love my system so much is it's just the same shit over and over from the lower time frame to the higher time frame. How did you get in the EU trade? As soon as we stabbed out this high, I took my entry. Okay, and I know we don't have entries on my chart anymore because this is a Forex entry, so I'm entered on my phone. But if you guys want to see, let me make sure I can see on my end. This is, there you go. I'm in on my phone as well. So we're not doing no fake shit over here. Whatever I tell you guys I'm in, I'm always in. Win or losses, I'll tell you guys everything. I keep everything as transparent as possible, man. Always. No fake stuff over here. Why are we not at 200 likes? Man, good Good question. Why are we not at 200 likes yet? Huh? We have 130 likes on stream. No 200? Where's the 200 bomb? Marco, does gold will reach 4K by December? I don't know, man. I really don't know. It's at 30 what? We're almost at 3,800, which is mental to think about. So crazy. Look at this chart. I don't know what's gonna stop it, but like even look at this monthly candle. Look at September. How many pips have we moved in September? We're looking at about, how do we freaking calculate that? Is that 3,500? That's 3,500 pips in September. That's insane. That's insane. Bro, look at US 30, guys. I'm not trading futures right now. This is like, what the hell do I do here? We're at all-time highs, man. I have no idea what's gonna happen. This thing could continue going to the moon for all it wants to do. Okay, NQ's on the moon, gold's on the moon, YM's on the moon. Like these are situations, these are conditions you do not want to be trading. Bro, look at US 30, and guess what, guys? Just like I told you guys before, anybody who spams the chat, you're gonna get put on the timeout bench. All right, Bunyard, you're in timeout as well. Bunyard, timeout. Bad boy. No more spamming. No more spamming the chat. Come on, guys. Copy. What is this? Control Z, Control C, Control V, copy paste. We don't need to be spamming the chat. That's boring. I had a buy on gold yesterday, set and forget since July. Damn, Andres. Damn. Yeah, guys, listen, I don't know. Jokes aside, indices, you guys know, your guess is as good as mine. I have no idea. What's German 40 looking like? Some slow PA right now, nothing too crazy. Honestly, German 40 had a very volatile London, as you guys can tell. Look at this thing. All the way up, all the way down. So I wouldn't be surprised if New York is a little bit slow for German 40 today. We have New York news in 12 minutes, so stay tuned. German 40 passed my phase 2. Let's go, man. W. I took this yesterday with my community on stream. So I think there's a lot of people in my community in this trade as well. But yeah, I do like the direction. I do like these equals up here. 23,789 is my target on German 40. So we'll see how that plays out. We'll see. Maybe it plays out on stream. Maybe it plays out tonight in Asia. I have no idea. Why you mentor just do not want to let copy trade? I don't know what that means. Well, and I'm glad you retracted it because it looked like a ridiculous message. I'm also short, bro, on Euro USD. Let's go, Harvest W, bro. We ride this trade out together. Win or lose. Let's see. This is what we're looking like right now in the hourly. The hourly looks good. Okay, we're leaving a nice wick to the upside. We got 25 minutes left on the candle. The 30-minute closed up. Look at that rejection. So it's looking good. All right, that's what the 30 looked like. The 15, this is what it looks like right now. Nothing too crazy yet. However, I am confident in the trade. I am confident. And to be quite honest with you, since we got this reaction, I'm more than happy with rolling my stop above this high. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to roll my stop above this high now. So I'll put it to around here. I'll make this red so we can say rolled stop. And I'll put it like that so we can keep it updated with you guys. All right, so I'm going to roll my stop above that high now just because I like the reaction. Quite simple management in my opinion. If it wants to go higher, in my opinion, probably will run for some internal to the left. If it wants to run lower now, nice. I've just reduced some risk. I'm not going to force BE because maybe price comes up, pulls back, and then we sell off. And I don't want to get BE'd. I don't want to force a BE based off emotion, right? I want to be able to manage my trade when the chart tells me to manage my trade. And that's important. I feel like a lot of people make that mistake over and over and over, right? You take your trade, it runs in profit. Maybe it runs in profit quickly. Okay, and then you're like, oh my God, I'm in profit right now. I want to cover my risk, and you just BE it. But why are you BEing it so quick? Are you BEing it off emotion, or is it because your plan is telling you to? Is it because the chart is telling you to? You want to acknowledge these things and make sure you're managing your trade correctly and not based off emotion. I love how you manage risk like that. Of course, I never rush it. It's very important not to rush management. That's toxic, right? We entered the trade for a reason. If it plays out, awesome. If it doesn't, awesome. We'll wait for another one. Got Avid on my phone and you on my laptop. Let's go, Ace W, bro. What is your community? Guys, all my socials are in the description below. Every day I'm not streaming with ChartFanatics. I'm streaming with my community. Andres, what happens when you have low capital like 20 bucks? Oh man, I don't think you should be trading if you have 20 bucks. What are your thoughts on taking partials? I think it's fine. However, I don't like to take too much volume off at, like, for example, look at this. This low here, I'm not going to take a lot. I'm going to take some volume off, but I'm not going to take a lot of volume off it. Okay, I want to let it run towards my actual targets, which is going to be, I'll partial accordingly down here probably at this low. Again, for everybody new in the stream, first things first. Okay, we're almost at 300 viewers, which is awesome. W, I appreciate all of you. But first things first, spam like, get those likes up. Okay, I'm going to be giving away 7 different accounts today for free. 7 different accounts. So lock in, pay attention. I'm not telling you when. Might do some soon. All right, but toss a like on the stream. It helps us. It helps you guys. The more likes we get, the more giveaways we do. It's just how it works. It's just how it works. Let me move my cam a bit here because I think I'm off centered here a bit sometimes. There we go. Cool. You know what we can do? What do we have? We have 7 minutes. You know what? No, we're gonna wait. Okay, we have news. Listen up. We have news at 9:45, which is in 7 minutes, less than 7 minutes. After news occurs, we'll run the first giveaway. Okay, and I'll tell you guys the instructions of how to enter in the first giveaway. So lock in. We're gonna run it in about 5-ish minutes, 7 minutes. Andres, no, bro. I definitely don't think that's a reasonable strategy in my opinion. I need you to get your capital up first, bro. So if you have to work more, get that in. And if you guys are new to trading, my best advice to you is don't rush the process. Use these prop firms to leverage your trading, okay? Don't throw your own money in accounts, okay? Buy a 5K challenge, buy a 10K challenge. They're like what, 20 bucks, 50 bucks sometimes with discounts. So buy these small challenges, pass them, get some payouts, all right? And then move up the ladder, right? Buy a 10K, pass it, get a payout. Buy a 25K, pass it, get a payout. Buy a 50K, pass it, get a payout, right? Work your way up the ladder. A lot of people make the mistake of they get into prop firms and they immediately go buy like a 100K account or a 200K account. You're gonna make too many mistakes, way too many mistakes. Why are you shooting for the stars right away? 1%, excuse me, 1% better every day. Compound, long-term vision. When the giveaway be all Apex? No, it's not all Apex. We're doing 3 Apex, 3 funded necks, and some TradeZella as well. So Satyam says, I'm learning a lot from you, bro. Much love, bro. And that makes me so happy. That makes me so happy. I hope you guys are enjoying these new YouTube videos. I'm putting a lot of work into these new videos. But yeah, we got a lot of stuff coming. What's German 40 looking like? Oh, German 40 is going long a bit here. And of course here, I showed you my Euro entry, but I'll show you my German 40 is right here. So you guys can see. You see there? There's my German 40 entry. So of course, I'll always show you guys. This is what they're running right now. All right. Boom. There you go. Cool. Cool. What kind of news we got? In how much? In 4 minutes time, we have flash manufacturing PMI. So I'm trading Forex, which means there's now slippage again, okay? I know in futures, I've never experienced slippage in futures, and I'm not experienced enough to tell you if there's slippage or not. I'm pretty sure there's not, but I've never had slippage on futures. However, on Forex there is, and it can be bad sometimes. So if you guys are in this trade, understand that even if you roll your stop loss to break even, even if you roll your stop loss to break even, you can get slipped still. So just, hey, I told you now. Now it's just on you guys. If you want to hold through news, awesome. If you want to close before, that's fine. It's completely up to you. You have to establish that for yourself. All right. Marco, how did I enter German 40? Here, you know what? We got a couple minutes here before news, so we'll talk about it real quick. So German 40, I hope you guys, again, starting to notice a little bit of a pattern here, but high, respected high, okay? And we moved away aggressively. If you go on the 15-minute chart, you can see we've left equals here. So I want to price below the equals, which we did, okay? And then as soon as we stop below the equals, this whole area down here was of interest to me. So once we were trading in that area, I'm taking entries in here. All right. Entries are taken in here. Stop loss. And my chart is actually looking like this already. So maybe I can do this as well. I can show you guys on German 40. My rolled stop is down here. Like this. All right, that's what we're looking like on German 40 right now, and this is what we're looking like. Is Euro moving? Euro's moving a bit right now. Let's go W, bro. Let's see what happens here. If it takes the low, I'm going to close a little bit of volume at these points, and then this low. Okay, once we hit this low, I'm going to be out like 60-70%. Do you do personal streams? Yeah, every day I'm not, guys, every day I'm not streaming with ChartFanatics. So I'm live every Tuesday and Thursday with ChartFanatics. And then Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I'm live with my community. So I trade on stream every single day. Every single day. Well, for the most part. I mean, of course, if I'm not home or if I'm not actively on my computer, of course, how can I stream? But yeah, if I'm home, I'm streaming every single day. Smash that like button. Let's go, guys. I think we're at 300 viewers. W. 300 viewers and 180 likes. It must be a glitch. It must be a glitch. How do we have 300 viewers and 180 likes? Something's got to be wrong on my end, right? Something's got to be wrong. Abu Bakar says, I'm killing indices with Marco's liquidity setup. W, bro. Let's go. Wow, look at that RR. Beautiful. Let's go, Jason. Bro, what kind of news? Yeah, we talked about that already. Love you. Thanks. So happy you're doing FX now. Yeah, Zizi, I wanted to branch back out. Futures is in a very dry spot right now. Like, it's just not tradable in my opinion with everything at all-time highs. So I wanted to branch back out. All right, we have news coming in. Again, my rolled stop is up here. So if I get taken out, if I don't get slipped, it will be half of what I risked. Okay, if it sells off, I'll be taking partials down here. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here. All right, news announcement. Nothing too volatile right now. I've told you guys how I've managed my trade already. Again, my stop is up here above this high right now. I can't speak English, clearly. I also killed UJ with your strategy. W, trader-ish. Yeah, UJ shorts last week was beautiful. Before FOMC. I didn't really find anything after FOMC. But yeah, before FOMC, UJ shorts was textbook. Beautiful. Tarek says, you're my guru? Bro, I hope I'm not. Oh my, wait, guru? Is that a good thing? Why did crypto market fall yesterday? Ah, bro, your guess is as good as mine. I don't even, I don't look at crypto like that. No big reaction on gold. If you guys are trading gold, God bless you. How the hell do you guys trade this, man? News is neutral. Oh, okay. What's German 40s moving higher? W. We're how much are we in profit on German 40 now? We're up $1,300 on German 40. So that's moving nicely. But like I said, I'm not taking a single partial on German 40 until this high is taken up here. I'll take some volume off. All right, so you know what we can do actually is we'll set an alert. Perfect. And this is what Euro is looking like right now. Okay, so news wasn't too volatile. Nothing crazy. So what can we do? It is giveaway time. It is giveaway time. Listen to the instructions very carefully, okay? There's gonna be a specific word you need to type in chat. Okay, a specific word you need to type in chat. Listen though, and listen, this is an important rule. Type it once, only once. If you type it more than once, you're disqualified. I'm sorry. If you type it more than once, you're disqualified. You know what? No, I'm not sorry. Because I told you guys beforehand. Okay? So, giveaway number 1. Type exclamation mark join in chat. Exclamation mark join. Look what I'm going to type on my screen under here. This is what you got to type in. Exclamation mark join in chat. Once. Once. And you're going to be entered in our first giveaway. All right? Anth, if you're in here, please DM me all the names for the first giveaway. And I'm going to enter them into dun dun dun, the Wheel of Fortune. The wheel of giveaways. All right. All right, guys. Yeah, type it once. Remember, once. If you type it more than once, I already warned you guys, you'll get banned. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, not sorry. Haha. Haha. I'm eating breakfast over here. I'm going to give you guys 30 more seconds. 30 more seconds. Let's go. All right. Halt. Pause. Pause. We're done. We're done. We're done. If you entered, awesome. If you didn't, catch you on the next one. Okay? We're going to give away 3. We're going to give away 3 counts right now. No, yeah, we'll do 3 right now. All right? Listen up. Okay, I'm going to wait for the names. We're going to plug them into the Wheel of Fortune. We're all done, guys, so stop spamming join. Stop spamming it. You're not going to be entered in. It's done. Enough, enough, enough. Excuse me, by the way. I'm going to continue eating my breakfast. Look at this Opar. W Opar? If you guys keep spamming join, you'll be timed out. You'll be put on the timeout bench. Bad boy. Stop spamming. What kind of giveaway? We're giving away free challenges. Free challenges. Why no ducky race, guys? The ducky race is for Tyler, man. He's the main host of the ducky race. How can I do that? I like doing the Wheel of Fortune. Jason, W Opar. Guys, Euro's dumping. Euro's dumping right now. All right? I'm going to keep you... You know what we got to do? Actually, we got to set an alert here. Because when this low gets taken, we got to take a partial. Okay, listen. I got the names. Lock in. Everybody needs to lock in. All right, I got the names. I got the names. All right. Drum roll. First giveaway, and this is going to be for a free Apex funded trader account. First giveaway is going to go to, lucky winner is, who do we got here? We got R2M 2025. R2M 2025. R2M 2025 W, bro. Give me a little bit of a sign of life in chat. Let me know you're here. Let me know you're alive and well. What's Euro doing? We're selling off. We're dumping. R2M 2025. Show me you're alive. Talk to me. Talk to me. Congrats to R2M. There he is. Let's go. WR2M. Congratulations, brother. You've won yourself a free Apex funding trader challenge. 300K account. God damn. God damn. All right, listen. We're going to run another one. Before we run the next one, like the stream. Like the stream. Like the stream before we run this next giveaway. All right, listen, remember, it helps us. It helps us do more for you guys. All right, the more likes we do, the more likes we get from you guys, the more giveaways we do. Look, we're just giving away free accounts. We're trying to help you guys as much as possible over here. So get the likes up on the stream. We're going to run our next giveaway. All right, another drum roll. Lock in. The next winner for Apex Funding Trader 300K challenge goes to... Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna try my best here. Raffaello Saxitoris. Raffaello Sexy Taurus. Raffaello Sexy. Congratulations, bro. Raffaello Sexy. Congratulations. W's in the chat for Raffaellos. Give me a sign of life that you're in here. Give me a sign of life that you're in here, Raffaellos. Yo, Jason, stop, bro. You're just waiting for these names to get difficult for me. Raffaellos, show me a sign of life. Are you alive? Raffaellos! Congratulations, brother. You won yourself a free 300K Apex Trader Funding Challenge. Follow the instructions in chat, and congratulations. W, bro. Let's go, guys. Okay, let's listen, lock in. This is gonna be the last giveaway, not of the stream, but the last giveaway right now. Okay? And look at that. Promise is already in chat telling me what to check out. Promise, you're late, bro. You're late. Right now, we're in EU shorts, and that shit's dumping. All right? Everybody lock in, though. Next giveaway. Another 300K account. Okay, another 300K account. Let's go. Let's go. Lucky winner is... Oh my God, we got an easy name. Who was it? Now. Congratulations, now. W now. Let's go, guys. Free accounts, man. Another 300K account goes to now. Now, show me you got some, you're alive in chat. Show me a sign of life in chat, and we'll sort you out with a brand new 300K free challenge. Congratulations now. W's. Let me win now. Exactly. Let's go. EU's pulling back. We'll go take a look at it in a second, guys. Now, there you are. W, bro. Congratulations, brother. You've won yourself a free Apex funded trader account. Follow the instructions in chat to claim your winnings. Let's go, guys. W, man. I enjoyed that. All right. This is what we're looking like on EU right now. All right. Do I like it? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. German 40, I like it. But what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to wait and see. There's been no partials. We haven't made any money. Everything that's going on right now is unrealized returns. All right, so we haven't made a single dollar yet. Lock in. Nothing yet. I might, just because I don't like the delivery now, I almost want to BE my trade. Because we have taken out this low. Not just because I want to, because we have taken out this low. That's why. So. All right, guys, give me 1 second here. I'll be literally 30 seconds. All right, we back. Sorry about that, guys. We back. All right, Euro's pulling back. Okay, and again, we have taken out this low. So I'm not against rolling my stop to BE. All right. The delivery of this price action now is not pretty, in my opinion. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to roll it. And if it tags us out BE, it tags us out BE. It is what it is. All right, we're BE'd on EU. German 40 is still running. Looking like this so far. Promise, I'm not looking at anything else other than my trades right now, bro. W giveaway, though. Let's go. Congratulations to the people who did one. Now, listen up. I am going to be running more giveaways, okay? So, stop spamming join right now. I'm going to be doing more giveaways soon. We have 4 more giveaways going to occur. And for everybody new in chat, listen up and listen carefully, okay? Listen. ChartFanatics has just launched our free Discord. All right, can you see me? Free Discord launched. Why haven't you joined it yet? Join the free Discord. We're going to be doing giveaways. We're going to be giving a lot of stuff to you guys in there. Charts, value. Join the Discord. Free Discord in chat. Let's go. Hello, Marco. Watching from Somalia. I hope you're having a great day. Sending my best. Thank you, Abbas. Much love, bro. Right back to you. Oh my God. A lot of you guys love crypto, huh? A lot of you guys love crypto. Do you guys day trade it or something? I have no idea what's going to happen, man. Listen. And I'm going to tell you why. All right. And everybody listen up that's a crypto trader right now. We are at all-time highs. Okay. And I'm going to change my name to I don't trade all-time highs. That's what my new name is going to be. So you guys understand. I don't know what's going to happen. Okay. We have taken out this low. Maybe we go long. Maybe we go long. One second, guys. Do you look at correlation with German 40? I don't even know what I would have to look at to correlate it, but no. I just, and this goes for honestly everything I trade, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. Whatever I trade, I don't ever look for correlation. Ever. I just trade the chart in front of me. I don't look at the dollar index to help me out with the USD pair. I never do that. Can you show the indicator I'm using? These are my indicators. Let's go back to Euro though, because I believe we might get taken out BE in a couple moments here. And we're out BE. Marco, I booked $1380. I love that. Congratulations. I booked $0 on my Euro trade. And I'll show you guys. Look. Can you see? Entry and BE. So BE trade for myself on Euro. This morning, I'm in EU. I took a short on German 40. It swept internal liquidity. I don't know if shorting is a good idea on German 40 right now. I would not be shorting it. But hey, I could be wrong and you could be right. I'm a trader, not a fortune teller. Sometimes I'm gonna be wrong, and it is what it is, right? Let's see what's going on the other pairs now. We have Euro looking like we have a little bit of bearishness. Aussie ugly. GJ could short. but nothing I love too much right now. What are these indices doing too? These indices are all stuck at all-time highs, eh? Unfortunate. One sec, guys. I gotta get my my fan on. Done, you joined the Discord. Let's go, bro. I'm in the Discord too. I'll be talking to all of you guys in Discord. Marco, good transparency. God bless you, and let's grow together. Parvez, bro, let's go, man. And I believe you said you took that short, right? Did you partial? Congrats if you did. I still think a short is possible. Let me take a look. I don't know, actually. I'm not too sure. We'll see. We just took the high. We're getting a little bit of a reaction right now, but we'll have to wait and see. Gold is doing absolutely nothing. Like I told you guys, man, please steer clear of gold right now. You do not want to be trading that thing. You do not want to be trading that thing. Guys, listen to the mods in chat. And you know what? It's unfortunate that no one likes to listen. Well, not no one. Some people don't like to listen. But if you guys spam the chat about giveaways, we're just not going to run them. Okay, just please stay patient. Follow the rules. It ain't too hard. It really ain't that hard. Marco, what's the Discord? It's official ChartFanatics Discord, free Discord. So join up. We're gonna have lots of chats in there. Join the Discord. Let's go, Riddell. Let's go. All right, EU's giving a reaction right now. I'm not in it though. I'll let you guys know if I do want to take anything, but we could be missing the train today, and it is what it is. Analysis on NASDAQ. I'm not trading it. I don't have any sort of analysis on NASDAQ because I have no idea where it's going. A boss says clean PA on Euro GBP. Let me see if I like anything on Euro GBP. I don't look at this pair. And this is not clean in my opinion, but hey, it could be clean for you. Probably going to run up to these highs. However, entry-wise, I don't see anything I like. So nothing too clean on EG in my opinion. Look at this reaction we're getting on Euro right now. Without us. Is it going to short without us? Nicole, now you have to learn how to use Discord. Don't worry, it's not a hard platform to learn how to use. It's very, very user friendly. You'll get used to it really quick. I prefer the pain of missing a trade than losing a trade. Jason, wrong perspective, bro. Wrong perspective. Losing is all a part of the game. Don't let it be pain. Marco, a lot of love from India. Much love right back to you, bro. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Up 600 in the under 600 on the day. Took your strategy and refined it into scalping. Let's go, bro. That's a W. That's good to hear that you're finding some progress. Oh my god, man. I don't know if maybe a lot of people bounce in and out of streams, but guys, I am not trading gold. Maybe I need to write it on my chart. Should I leave that here? All right, I am not trading gold. It's at all-time highs. Should I leave this on my chart for you guys? Lose and win is all a part of the journey, right, Marco? 100%. 100%. The sooner, and listen to me carefully, guys. The sooner you guys learn how to become a good loser, the more progress you'll find. Because a lot of people can't take a loss. They don't know how to lose. And that's fine. That's normal at the beginning of your journey. That's completely normal. I'm going to write this too. I'm not trading gold and NQ. I'm going to leave this on my chart for you guys right now. Because everybody's coming in here asking me to trade gold and NQ. Guys, I won't trade. It's all-time highs. I have to wait today. I'll probably wait tomorrow. You joined the Discord? Let's go, Jonathan. W, bro. Hell yeah. Are you in a gold trade? Just joking. Don't, funny guy. Bro, do you trade every day at Inter-Equity Trading? Yes, sir. I do. I do. I have to drag this text around wherever we go now. Jason says, losses are still tough for me sometimes. I'm still working on it. And you know what? That's understandable. It is understandable. Just based off human nature, us as humans, we don't like to lose, right? We don't like to be wrong. So when you put a bunch of work in to a chart, to a trade, and you're wrong, right? It hurts. It's like a shot to your ego, and you don't like that. Then you think like you're doing something wrong. But no, you have to remind yourself that losing is completely normal, guys. I lose. The best traders in the space lose. Okay? I'm talking about hedge funds are wrong sometimes. Like these 8-9 figure traders are wrong sometimes. It is completely normal. The difference between them and you is they know how to manage their risk and they know how to manage their losses. That's the only difference. And their experience. Okay, but obviously you get what I'm trying to say to you guys. Best losers win. You know what, Hassan? I like the way you worded that. I agree, bro. I do agree. Will we trade today? I took a trade on Euro already. Right. Where was it? 020. I took a trade like this on Euro. And I was targeting, I was targeting the downside. And I got tagged out BE. So I can leave this on the chart for you guys, actually. BE. That's a BE trade. EU possible shorts. I don't like anything on EU right now. I don't like anything on EU right now. I'll let you guys know if I do. I still have my positions running on German 40. So we'll see how this plays out over the course of today, tomorrow, etc. Best Losers Win is a book by Tom Hugard. I love the title of it. I'm sure it's a great book. How to tell about daily bias. Well, I'm glad you asked. Well, Saturday, I put out a brand new YouTube video about how to identify the daily bias on a consistent basis. So please give that a watch if you haven't yet already. It should answer a lot of your questions about daily bias. Today is Powell speaking or Trump speaking? According to what I see, According to what I see, Powell is speaking at 12:35 Eastern Standard Time. All right, Powell is speaking at 12:35 Eastern Standard Time. So true, Marco. Your success is directly proportional to how gracefully you handle being wrong. The real journey is learning to protect your capital instead of your ego. Shah, well said. Well said, brother. I completely agree. A massive thing for me, and I just tweet. You know what? Let me read it to you guys, maybe, because this is kind of it goes off of what we've been talking about in chat. And listen carefully, all right? Looking back at all of my worst trading days, I can confidently say that my first L was never my biggest. It's the poor decisions that come after that L. This year, a big focus of mine has been learning how to become a good loser and knowing when to shut it down. All right? That is my 2 cents for today. All right? Learn how to become a good loser. That is my best advice when it comes to trading. The sooner you do, the sooner you'll know how to shut it down after you take a loss and manage your risk, not blow up, follow your plan, follow your rules. Marco, I appreciate the YouTube videos. They've helped a lot. Much love, bro. Let's go, man. Lots of more YouTube videos coming. But yeah, everyone's been seeming to enjoy them so far. So that's good news. That is good news. Thanks for your suggestion, brother. Yesterday I did a backtest of gold and I won some trades and then lost some and thought I'm doing something wrong. Then I stopped backtesting after 5 hours. Backtesting is good because it can teach you your system, it can teach you a system or a strategy, and practice it over and over and over, right? To train your eyes to see it in live time. Okay, but again, a reminder is losses are normal. They will happen. It's completely part of the game. I'm gonna stay on Euro here because one, there could be a possibility on it, and two, wait, where'd that go? We got this text we got to keep here for everybody that asked me about NQ and gold. I'm gonna keep this here. Let's go to we'll wait on this for now. Price is still building liquidity on Ger right now. I'm not sure. All I know is I'm in a long position on German 40 and I'm targeting the highs. Gurpreet says, I agree, Marco. I do that as well. I need to calm down in trading. It's not the first loss. It's what I do after that gets me in trouble. You see? That's because we're human. We have emotions. And when we take a loss, naturally your emotions heighten. When they heighten, you're going to make irrational decisions. It's just normal. So you have to cover yourself from that. You want to identify those moments and avoid them. Promise, bro. Listen, please. I need you to stop coming in here and demanding what I need to look at. Just enjoy the stream for now. I'm gonna flip through. I'm actively looking at Euro right now, and that's what I'm gonna stay on. Marco, do you remember your very first payout from prop firms, and what were your emotions? Actually, I do. My very first account and payout I ever got, I actually passed my very first account. It was with FTMO. It was a $60,000 Canadian Canadian account balance account. And I got my first payout on that account as well. That was my very, very first one. My mistake was I passed my first account. I passed my first account and I immediately started trading that funded account. My best advice for all of you guys is, and I really hope you guys take this advice seriously. When you pass your very first account, don't trade that funded account right away. Don't do it. You're going to have so much emotions. Because naturally, you'll be like, oh my God, I finally passed my very first account. I finally passed my very first account. I want to trade my funded account. and I want to make my very first profits. I've worked so hard over the course of 6 months, a year, 2 years. No, you're gonna have so much emotion, so much pressure is on your shoulders to perform. Pass 1 account, pass 2 accounts, pass 3 accounts, pass 4. Prove to yourself that you're actually consistent. Prove to yourself that you didn't pass that first challenge based off luck. All right, that's my best advice for you guys when it comes to passing challenges, getting funded. Marco, if you're in a position and see that the price is creating liquidity on the same level of your entry, what do you do? I usually let my trades run. I usually let them play out. Marco, if a price stabs out a high, how can you tell if it's a fake out or a BOS? This is how I trade. I know that the market, retail traders look at this as a BOS in the market. So buyers want to be buying the low down here. Okay, they want to be entering positions at the low. When price moves away in their intended direction, when it goes long in their intended direction, now I understand that there's going to be liquidity below this low for the future. Okay, it's very simple. So I can use that as a short target, or I can take a long after it's taken. For people asking me about my daily bias, guys, I just uploaded a brand new YouTube video about daily bias. Please go give that a watch. It will answer many of your questions, I promise you. It's a 10-minute video on daily bias. Marco, if I have 2 sides of liquidity, how can I deal with it? Wait. Bro, making a bias seems doable right now, but at the entry, it feels like I can't make up my mind. I'm using your strategy, by the way. Keep practicing, bro. Keep studying. Keep practicing. Keep studying. Nothing will come like this in life with everything you do. Okay, do you go to the gym and directly start lifting heavy weights? No, you got to start from the bottom, work your way up. Okay, it takes time, it takes effort, it takes consistency and repetition. Marco, what's the cases when the liquidity block can be failed? If we did something like this, this is a liquidity block, price pulls back, it'll give a reaction, then probably go short. Liquidity block will fail. Okay, so people will enter buys here, not understanding that this is going to get taken out. So that's an example of how a liquidity block can fail. Chakro says, Marco, you are the best. No, you know what? You are the best. Thank you for the kind words, man. I appreciate you. Hope you guys are all having a good week on the charts. What do we got news-wise the rest of the week? I was actually curious. I wanted to double look on this. So tomorrow there's no news. 0 news tomorrow. Thursday, we have more news, unemployment claims, and America's GDP. And then Friday, we have more news. Okay, so no news Wednesday, and then news Thursday and Friday. Okay, so keep that in mind going forward, guys. Marco, can you explain to me what a propulsion block? I have no idea what propulsion block is. No idea. Oops. I have no idea what that is, bro. Okay, guys, you know what we can do? 1020. Charts are not dead, but I'm not looking at anything actively right now. So what can we do? Giveaway? Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We'll do 2 giveaways right now. We got 4 left. We'll do 2 right now and 2 in a bit. So we'll give away 2 accounts more right now. Exclamation mark join in chat. Once. Type it once. Type it once. Literally, that's all you need to do is type it once. You'll be entered. Exclamation mark join in chat right now. We're gonna be doing a giveaway in a couple minutes. And you know what? In 2 minutes. 2 minutes, guys. Less now. 90 seconds. 90 seconds, we're going to run the next giveaway. Exclamation mark join in chat. You'll be entered into the giveaway. Type it once. If you type it more than once, I'm going to time you out and you're going to get put on the bench. When you're on the bench, you can't win the giveaway. All right? That's the rules. Take it or leave it. All right. You know what we're going to do? We're going to cut it off in 30 seconds here. "30 seconds. We're going to run the next giveaway. Lock in, guys. All right, we're going to stop here. No more entries. If you guys spam join, I'm literally going to time you out. Why would you want to get timed out? Then you can't win the giveaway. Once. Type it once. Okay? I'm going to get the names from Mr. Anthony. Anthony's gonna send me over the names and we're gonna type it into our magic wheel of fortune. And we're gonna be giving away 2 funded next accounts. 2 free funded next accounts. Lock in, guys. If you guys haven't already done it yet, like the stream, share the stream, tell your family to hop in the stream right now and like it and join the giveaway. Well, actually, you can't now. It's too late. But join the next giveaway. All right, I'm going to begin the names here in a moment. And again, this giveaway is going to be for 2 brand new free funded next challenge accounts. Trading for keeps is locked. Let's go. All right, I got the names. I got the names. Everybody stay calm. Everybody stay calm. It's happening. All right. Here we go. Everybody's entered. We're spinning the wheel. Listen. Locked up. I won't say the word, but lock in. This giveaway will be for a free funded next challenge account. Lock in. Let's go. The winner for the free funded next challenge account is going to Kai Patila. I think that way I pronounced that correctly. Kai Patila, congratulations on your free funded next challenge account. We love to see it. Let's go. Kai Patella. Kai Patella, let me know you're live. Show me a sign of life in chat. As soon as you do, then we're good to go. Kai Patella is the winner. Congrats, Kai. Yes, sir. Congrats to Kai. W Kai. Kai, show me you're alive. If you're not, I'm gonna have to give away your account. I missed this. It's not my fault you missed it, man. I've been telling you guys. Kai Patella, done. Let's go. Perfect pronunciation. Let's go. Congratulations, Kai, on your free funded next challenge account. Okay, listen, lock in, guys. It's right back to the next one. Actually, what's Euro doing right now? Euro's moving a bit. Nothing interesting, though. Nothing interesting. If it runs without me, it runs without me. What am I going to do? I am perfect. Okay, next challenge is going to lock in here, guys. Next funded next challenge account, free funded next challenge account is heading towards... Oh, I just missed Jason. I seen that. Oh, no. Nirajiz Velza. Nirajiz Velza. W. Nirajiz Velza. Nirajiz Velza. Congratulations, bro. You've won yourself a free funded next challenge account. Now, please show me a sign of life in chat. Nirajiz Velza. Nirajiz Velza. Give me a sign of life in chat. Let me know you're here. Let me know you're alive and well. And if you guys are typing exclamation mark join, guess what? You're getting timed out. Nirajiz Velza. Are you in here? Oh, there you are in here. Let's go. W. I see you. I see you. I see you. Congratulations on your free funded next challenge account. Okay, I have two more giveaways to do. Okay, do we run them now? Do we run them now or do we do it in later? What do you think, guys? What do you think? Now or later? Now, later. Now, later. Now, later. What do you think? Let me know. Now? All right, we'll do it now. Another funded next challenge account, free challenge account. Lock in. Drum roll, please. The winner for the next giveaway is going to oh my god, this is a great name. This is a great name. M. Who is named M? Finally, a name I can pronounce, guys. Finally, a name I can pronounce. M. Congratulations, you have won yourself a funded next challenge account. M. Are you alive, M? Please tell me you're in here. Please tell me you're in here, bro. M, are you in here? Oh my god, no, don't tell me this is like an incorrect name or a bug or something. Invalid name? Don't say that. Oh my god, M is in here. That's me. Let's go, M. Congratulations on your free funded next challenge account. All right, guys, listen, we have one more giveaway. Everyone needs to lock in for this one. Lock in. Lock in. One sec. Let's check the charts real quick. Euro's ugly. No, thank you. German 40 is frozen. As to be expected, I expected a slower New York session for German 40, which we're kind of getting. But nothing to take, nothing to look at, so we're not missing anything. All right, straight back to the giveaway. Straight back. This giveaway, one second. I think I have it. This giveaway is for
6.
All right, here we go. Here we go, guys. This next giveaway is for this. Listen up.
6. 6 months. TradeZella.
6, count 'em, 6 months. TradeZella. Not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5 months. 6.
6. 6 months. TradeZella.
All right. Let's go, guys. 6 months for TradeZella. Look. You see? 6 months. TradeZella. Lock in. Important giveaway. Here we go. Here we go. The winner for the 6 months, free 6-month subscription with TradeZella goes to Abdul Khalik. Abdul. W. Abdul. 6 months TradeZella, man. 6 months TradeZella. Abdul Khalik, congratulations. Let's go, man. I love to see it. I absolutely love to see it. 6, count 'em, 6 months. TradeZella. W, guys. W. Abdul, are you in here? Show me a sign of life. Please claim this giveaway. Please be in the stream. Please be here. Let me know you're alive. Abdul. It's me. There we go. Abdul's in here. W. Congratulations, brother. You have won yourself 6 months subscription, free subscription to TradeZella. Welcome to the TradeZella family. Wow, that's so awesome, man. I love to see it. W, guys. W in chat. That's awesome. Let's go. All right. We are not in Euro right now. We are in German 40, but it is a slow one. These highs are what I'm looking at here. Let's see. Let's look over the board right now. GJ, nothing interesting. UJ, nothing too interesting. Probably gonna run for these highs if I had to point my finger where UJ needs to go. All right, Aussie, nothing interesting. Euro, I'm still keen on shorts, guys, but entry wise, I'm not in it right now, and I don't love the current price action delivery. I don't love it, so I am not in Euro. I got BE'd on it. I am, however, in German 40 long still, so we'll see how that plays out. ChartFanatics, nobody else is doing it like this. Y'all, listen, I appreciate every single one of you for hanging out with me today on stream. It's always a great time with you guys, seriously. Listen up and listen carefully. For all the new people in here, we just dropped our official free Discord today. Okay, check in chat. Mods are spamming it in chat right now. I'm going to spam it a bit here. Here we go. Look in the chat. If you guys haven't already, I think I can't even post it. Okay, but the mods are typing in chat. Discord has been launched. Join it. We're going to be doing giveaways there. We're going to be dropping charts in there. Myself, Tyler, Bossman, Riz, the one and only Words of Wisdom is in there as well. Yeah, man, lots of cool stuff coming. Lots of cool stuff coming. So join that Discord if you haven't already. Join. Let's go. Hey, man, how do I redeem this challenge, by the way? You have to DM ChartFanatics live on Instagram with your name. Okay, DM ChartFanatics live on Instagram. All right, those are the instructions. If any of you guys won the giveaway, DM ChartFanatics on Instagram. Congratulations once again on the giveaways. Now, again, listen up. A couple things I want to tell you guys. Of course, like I've been talking about, we have launched our free Discord, which is awesome. Hopefully you guys have joined up already. And Tyler is going live tonight in Asia session. So if you guys are active in Asia, hop back on the stream. Brother Tyler is walking you guys through Asia session, taking some trades, having a good time as per usual. So hop back on stream tonight. If you guys are trading Asia, show Tyler some love. That's the brother, that's the homie. All right. Anything by Words of Wisdom, I'm in. Maxwell, bro, you know what? I'm on the same page as you. I'm on the same page as you. Anything by Words of Wisdom, I'm in too. What hasn't this man done? If you guys haven't seen, check this out. All right, if you guys haven't seen, you guys all know Riz to be a podcaster, correct? Okay? But if you guys don't follow him on socials, look what he just did. Look at this. Look at this. All right? You think he's only a podcaster? You think he's only a podcaster? There you go. 100 grand on FTMO. What can't this guy do? Huh? Tell me. He does podcasts. He makes 100K on with FTMO. What a guy. What a guy. Can you please tell us what you expect on EU? I expect shorts to these lows. This low. This low. Every blue line I expect a short to. Eventually. Sooner or later. Look at this text. This is making me laugh. I'm not trading gold in NQ. It's to stop all you guys from spamming it. Why am I unable to join the Discord? Does it have any restrictions? It does not. It's free. It's open to the public. Open to everybody. Everybody and anybody. Riz can't dunk a basketball? You know what, Junebug? I think you're wrong. Riz is like friggin'... He's a tall dude. Probably can dunk a basketball. So, I think your point's wrong. Unfortunately. Oh my god, world info chuh, bro. Stop spamming, man. How do you decide which highs and lows to be swept? There's no definitive answer, really. You have to understand liquidity. You have to understand my system. But just anticipate that if we run highs, that price is going to run lows. Price can run one side and run for the other. All right. But again, It's impossible for me to just tell you exactly what highs and lows need to go all the time. If you haven't watched it yet, there's a 2-hour long video on ChartFanatics that I filmed with Riz that goes over my strategy from A to Z. 2 hours long, talking about everything from bias to liquidity to direction to what traders I think are in the market. Everything, literally everything and anything. So if you guys haven't already watched that, be sure to watch it. It will answer so many of your questions you guys are typing in chat right now. I joined the Discord. Let's go, Sniper Entry W, bro. Join that Discord. Marco, did you take any trades yesterday? If you did, what was it? I did, bro. I did. This is the trade I took yesterday. This is the trade I took. Thank you, chat, or thank you, mods, for spamming that in there. That is the link to our ChartFanatics video. Tyler is my motivation. Tyler is a savage trader, savage individual. Love that guy. Really good guy. Take a look at on DAX futures. I don't even know what the thing is. Nah, to be honest, I don't want to, bro. I'm not trading that. These are the only assets I trade. NQ, GC, and YM is the only thing I touch on futures. CJ, I broke down my my German 40 trade earlier on, so just rewind the stream. We talked a lot about it earlier on. We talked a lot about this the trade. And my targets, again, if you guys are in it or looking for any sort of trades in it, these are my targets. This high, and then eventually this high. So nothing changes for me. All right, these two blue lines. So if you want, take a screenshot right now before it's too late and you guys can't see it anymore. But that's what I'm looking at, German 40. And again, I was in Euro shorts, but I was BE'd. And you know what? Not even mad or sad about it, because look at this price action we've had afterwards. It's just, it's wonky in my opinion. You traded Jur yesterday. It's a swing trade. It is not really a swing trade. I'd more say it's like an intra-week trade. I do believe it'll hit target probably. If it is going to hit target. It'll hit tomorrow probably. Maybe Thursday. So like more of an intra-week. But I guess I don't know. It depends what you guys classify as swing. Is swing weeks? No, this won't be a swing trade then. I guess, again, it all depends on what you guys classify. Amin says that I just wanted to say I used your strategy today on something I've been watching for a while and being patient, and now I'm up 12%. So hyped, my first W. Well done, Amin. Well done. Keep it up. Stay consistent. Practice, study, and apply. Keep at it. Jacob says, gotta run, Marco. Thanks for today. No worries at all, Jacob. I hope you enjoyed the stream, and I hope to see you again in here soon on Thursday. If you guys are, if you do want to hang out with me again, I will be on stream Thursday again. Same time as per usual. Thursday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Tuesday and Thursday for myself. Hermanth says, my whole trading idea changed after watching your CF video, Marco. Everything's so bloody clear now. I am super happy to see where the price is going. Thanks a lot. Let's go, bro. W's. Makes me so happy to see that people are gaining value from that video. It truly does. Truly does. Yeah, Sean, it's no worry, bro. It's no worries at all. It's to be expected. The people that want true value will hang around, so it's no worries. W day. Every day is a W day. Every day is a W day. Yeah, not really looking at much else the rest of the day, to be honest with you guys. I'm gonna get rid of this text for now. Hopefully people know by now that I'm not trading gold or NQ. Right? Again, kind reminder, but we're at all-time highs. It's no bueno for me. I have just an extreme lack of confidence, extreme lack in everything. I lack everything when I'm at all-time highs. I don't know what I want to be looking at. Even if I do take the correct trade, I just don't have the confidence to hold to my targets, and that's just because solely off we're at all-time highs. So yeah, Dan, I'm not trading German 40 futures. I just trade the NQ, YM, and gold for futures. That's it. I've found consistency in that, and I'm gonna stick to it. Zane says, you really trained our eyes to see liquidity everywhere. Thanks a lot. Of course, Zane. Keep at it, brother. Marco, please continue your training eye series. I am. Do not worry. Do not worry. And keep an eye out for today. I have a new YouTube video coming out in an hour and 20 minutes. So keep an eye on that. Brand new YouTube video coming out shortly. Every single Tuesday and Saturday, I put out a new video. Math, I am not, or Matthias, I am not right now. Keep an eye on socials, and you'll see any updates in the near future. But you have a trade in German 40 now anyway. I know, Dan, but this is in the CFD space. Like, this is on Forex. I've took the trade. I'm not trading this asset on futures, is what I'm saying. Long-term wise, nothing changes for me on UJ. I really want to see this thing continue going long. But this is a higher time frame perspective, so it can take time. It will take time. Trading for keeps. Bro, guys, this goes for everybody in here. I'm not ignoring anybody purposely. I'm trying to get to every single message as much as possible. Not only that, is I'm trying to look at the charts as well, right? So I'm not ignoring you. What did you say before? Marco, can you look at RTY? What? I don't even know what RTY is. Is that a stock? E-mini Russell. Yeah, I mean, I have no idea how I would have taken this. There's nothing to look at. We're at all-time highs, bro. The last 4-hour candle is already all-time highs. I'm gonna tell you guys, like, and I'll continue to tell you. You want to avoid losses? Stop trading all-time highs. As simple as that. I am struggling with daily bias. I just put a new YouTube video on Saturday. Brand new YouTube video on Saturday, talking about daily bias. Marco, what's your most high ranked for you? Discipline, patience, risk management. Honestly, Chris, I can't even really answer that because I think that's all very, very important. All of it. Discipline, patience, risk management, consistency, market understanding. You need all of it. You need all of it. You need all of it, bro. In my opinion. I'm curious, have you ever traded using SMC? I did trade SMC before. However, I didn't find the consistency I wanted to find. So I stopped trading it. And then I developed how I trade now. But it does not mean that SMC doesn't work, guys. By the way, like, I just want to say that. I know a lot of extremely profitable SMC traders that absolutely kill it. So show AUD USD. Yeah, nothing too interesting. Nothing too interesting. Very, very slow, choppy PA right now. Sitting below the low. Nothing too crazy. Marco, there are small blue arrows and red arrows in the screenshot you share in your socials, but blue means possible entry and red means... no, that just means where I entered. So, like, here, look. I just turned it on to show you guys exactly where I took the trade. So, if you look at this screenshot right here, let me make sure you guys can see. Look. Right, so, one sec. The red one is where I entered. The blue one is where I exited. That's it. It just shows you exactly, like, my trade history. Red one is where I entered. Blue is where I exited. That's all it is. That's all it is, Shah. Just shows my trading history for like full transparency. So a lot of people like to hide shit. So I just keep it on. Marco, did you watch the 3 hours video? I actually, funnily enough, I did. I watched it on Sunday night. The 3-hour new video with Fabio on ChartFanatics. If you guys have not watched that yet, I definitely recommend going to watch that as well. It's a really interesting video. And yeah, a lot of people are actually loving it. The video has done very well. Comments are really good. It's this one right here. One sec. Yeah, this one right here, guys. If you haven't watched it yet, he is a scalper. Yo, Abdumaran Wendeya. No more spamming. My YouTube is in the link in the description. Yeah, but this guy here, scalper, insane scalper. So yeah, well, definitely give that a watch. Such an interesting video. He is my mentor. There you go. He's a sick trader, it looks like. I don't know much about him. Mods are on the spammers. Yes, I know. That's good. Unfortunately, I guess we're always gonna have these spammers coming in. There's nothing we can do about it. Nothing we can do about it. These guys just come in and go crazy. German 40 moving back up. We'll see what this thing wants to do today, man. If it wants to go to target, like I said, I kind of doubt it. Just solely based off the PA that we've had in London. It had quite a big movement. So maybe Asia pushes us to our target. Maybe London pushes us to our target. We're going to have to wait and see. That video was fire, and his mindset on the way he raised the charts is mind-blowing. I agree. It is very, very impressive. And you have to understand, like, he's scalping. So he's in and out of trades. He's, like, managing them very quickly. And sometimes in volatile conditions. So Italians do it better always. W for the Italians. What do I think about GU? Let's go take a look at GU real quick. I don't actively look at GU. I'll take a look here and there, but I don't trade it. I never have, to be honest. Yeah, GU is interesting. GU is interesting. I feel like longs could be on the table for this thing. Back up to these highs. I wouldn't put it to the... I wouldn't say it's not possible. I think it is very much possible. Yeah. Weekly low has now been taken. The thing is, we're at the extreme, right? Like, we're at the bottom of this daily move to the downside, still trading here. So I'd want to see and wait for more PA to get developed, more PA to get printed in front of us, and then things will become more clear as price unfolds. That's why you have an Italian name. Yes, sir, bro. Can I explain my Euro trade? My Euro trade, let's get rid of this alert. The Euro trade I took here was quite simple. We had a buildup of liquidity here. Okay, as price stabbed out the highs, I took my entry up here. And I wanted to target this low, these lows. I didn't partial here. Okay, so it was a BE with 0 partials. I was going to take partials at this low, and then these lows to the left-hand side. All right, but that's basically it. Ends up being me. And now we've been chopping around ever since. So I don't know. Maybe it plays out. Maybe it doesn't. I'm not in the trade anymore. So it is what it is. Holding EU since Asia. Are you talking about Shorts, I'm assuming. Yeah, shorts probably, right? Up here. I just want to take a moment to say, guys, I know the people in here right now, even the people that were in here before, I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in today, hanging out with me. It means so much. This is like, I look forward to these days a lot, honestly. It is a great time to chat with you guys, talk charts, take some trades, help you guys as much as I can. It is always a good time. So again, I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in, hanging out. W chat, man. It's always a good time. All right, guys, chat. It's coming to that time. I appreciate, listen, again, I appreciate every single one of you. Love you all. Myself, I will be back on stream Thursday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Nothing changes. Same time every single day. Tonight, Mr. Tyler, TG Capital, is going live. So if you guys are free tonight, pop in, show some love to the brother Tyler. And then tomorrow, I don't know who's live tomorrow in New York. Maybe Tyler's live in New York tomorrow. I'm not entirely sure. But for myself, I'll be back on stream with you guys on Thursday. Without further ado, again, thank you so much for hanging out. I enjoyed my time here. I hope you guys did as well. Much love to all of you. We will talk soon. Trade safe, be safe, and we'll see you in a bit.